Welcome to our automation testing channel. Today we'll talk about how to handle login authentication in Playwright. Go. Learn how to handle login authentication in Playwright. UI login, API login, session reuse. Steps. Demonstrate multiple ways to automate authentication safely and efficiently, cover token storage, session persistence, and reuse. Outcome. You can log in once, save the session, and reuse it across multiple tests for faster execution. Why handle authentication in test? Definition. Authentication testing validates user identity and access control mechanisms. Where automate it? Avoid re-login for every test. Reduce execution time. Maintain consistent test state. Method 1. UI-based login standards approach. Method 2. Save session storage state. Go log in once, save the session, reuse it in further tests. Faster execution, no login form needed. Great for CI/CD pipelines. Method 3. API-based login, token injection. Some systems allow login through APIs that return authent token. Faster than UI login, useful when front end and back end are separate. Require knowledge of the API structure. Method 4. Token-based authentication. Best practice. Use storageState.json in config. Prevent repeated UI login. Void stored passwords in plain text. Use environmental variable. Separate login logical from the test logical. Improve maintainability. Refresh session periodically. Avoid expired token. Always test invalidated credential too. Ensure security validation. Okay, let's first look at the application I want to test. This is application. I want to test a golf course. And you see here is add golf course. When I click the add golf course, it needs log in, so I log in. Okay, this is add golf course. Yeah, add golf course. Then I go back for the golf course. I search some golf course. Like search golf course test A. Here is have the delete link. If I not log in, I don't see any of the delete link. You see here don't have any delete link. So this is application I want to test. We look at the code. First, I create a file is called authent.json. Here is I put an empty file here. Then we need to update Playwright config.js file. Here is I put the session. You see is a store session. This is a store the into the path and the name into this file. Then I create this is a test JSON file. So I write the 3 tests. First test is a general login. You see here is go to that page, go to the login page and type username and password login. After login, make sure is after login. Then save this. This is a key point, like save page context, storage state, and here is save this this one. This is the first general is a UI login, but we save the storage state. And the second test, I want to add golf course. Add golf course, we know that is need the login. So this test, I don't re-login, use the UI login. So I use the storage state, use that one because here like we have use storage state. Then I don't need to log in again. So directly into this page and then click the golf course. Before I show you, like if I not log in, click golf course, need logins. But this time I use the storage state. So click this link, not go to the login page, direct to the create a golf course page. So I check the is go to that page. So check is text is add golf course. Another test is delete golf course. Before we say that delete golf course also need a login. So after go to the golf course, I search like the test B. That is go to the search finish. When the search finish, if not log in, the delete link not show up. After login, delete link show up. So click this delete link and check this page is go to correct delete page. Let me run a test. First, I run this test. Okay, the test finished. So I check this is create save the storage state. You see here is storage status saved. So I go back to the test. So I check this test is can pass. You see is a pass. And also check this test. Yeah, you see delete pass. So use this, we can save the re-login. Today, I mainly introduce a session storage and avoid re-login for every test. Welcome your comments, feedback. Hope today's video can help you. If you want to follow us updates, please subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.